In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create a food blog by just using Gutenberg page builder. So we are not going to use any third-party page builder like Elementor. We are just going to use a Gutenberg theme and a Gutenberg plugin to build this entire food blog. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Hi, my name is Ankit and welcome to Magazine 3 YouTube channel where we talk about everything related to WordPress. And if you want to learn more about that, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. So in this video, we are going to build this food blog by just using native Gutenberg page builder. So here we have our menu, we have our logos, social media icons, we have our heroes section, we have link for different categories. After that, we have the latest recipes and we have a little call to action section. And in the footer, we also have this data. So we are going to build this by using ready-made templates that are available, and these templates are purely built using Gutenberg. So to speed up the process, we are going to use that. So here we are in our WordPress backend, and for reaching here, I'm considering that you have already installed or set up your WordPress website by purchasing your website domain or hosting. And if you have not, then you can go ahead and check the links in the video description below for some of the recommended hostings or domain booking sites. And if you have already done that, then this is how your WordPress dashboard must be looking like. So our first step is to go to appearance, and in themes, right now we have the default 2020 theme. So we are not going to use this. So let's go ahead and click on add new, and we will search for Cadence. So this is Cadence theme that we are going to use for this example, and it's a very lightweight and it got a lot of options that you can use to create any kind of website or blog by just using Gutenberg Editor. So let's go ahead and install this theme and then click on activate. So now we don't need our default 2020 theme, so we can get rid of this. So let's go ahead and delete this one. And now the only theme we have on our site is the Cadence theme. And once that is done, we are getting a prompt on the top. It says install Cadence starter templates. So these are some ready-made templates that you can use to create your site. So let's go ahead and do that as well. So we click on Cadence starter template. And once that is done, here are the list of templates that you can start with, and you will find a lot of free templates here that you can use to get a starting point to build your food blog. So you can see a lot of good designs added here that you can use as a starting point. So we are going to use this template. So let's click on this one. And here you can see we already have the menu, the social sharing icons. We have our hero section, the latest recipes, and everything will be ready to use. So we have an option on the left hand side. Either we want to import single page, that is this home page, or we want to include or import the complete site. So we are going to click on full site because we want to build the complete food blog using this starter template. So let's click on that. Here are some import details. It's going to add Cadence blocks as a plugin. So this plugin is very helpful for creating these blocks or these page designs. So we are going to take a look how it works in a minute. And after that, we have the recipe card block by WP Zoom. So this is going to create a recipe card which is good for your readers as well as for schema data. Below that, we have advanced settings. We have import customizer settings, import content. So we're definitely going to import that as well. And here you can go ahead and subscribe for their newsletter if you want, or you can just skip or start importing. So it's going to take a few minutes and it will start importing the content as well as the website structure. All right, so the import is done. Let's go ahead and click on finish to view our site. So we click here, and here we are on the home page of our website. We have about, contact, home, recipe. We have the social sharing icon with our logo and the hero section. And this is the default blog post which not got deleted, so it's showing up here. We will delete that in a few minutes. After that, we have all these sections as we have seen in the ready-made template. If we click on About Page, here is the About Page where we can add our image as well as the content on the right hand side. So let's go in the backend and see how everything is laid out. So here we are in our WordPress backend. This is the home page, which is acting as the front page of our website. But before editing that, let's go to post and remove this hello world post. So this is the default sample post. So we are going to get rid of this. And if we open the website again, so now it's looking much better. Alright, so now let's go back to our pages. Let's click on home. So this is our home page, which is entirely built using Gutenberg blocks. So if you want to edit anything, all you have to do is just click on this block, which is right now heading block coming from the Cadence Blocks plugin. And this is the Cadence Blocks plugin. If you remember, during the import of this starter template, it was mentioned there that it's going to import Cadence Blocks plugin as well. So this plugin actually gives you a lot of Cadence blocks. So this plugin gives you a lot of ready-made Gutenberg blocks that you can use to create the page structures. Like you will get the row layout, form, advanced gallery, icon, tabs, and the list goes on and on. So using all these blocks, you can create your own custom page design. And we have already covered that in our previous video, how you can create pages or your page design using Gutenberg blocks like Cadence blocks. So you will find that video in the I button above or the video description below. And let's say you want to add some category icons here. So you can go ahead and do that. So if we click on this block and here we choose this 3 dots and then click on insert after, and here we will add a new row. We will divide that into maybe 4 column layout. Let's add some padding from the top and from the bottom. So in the first section, let's go ahead and add an image. So we will add an image block here. We will go to media library and let's go ahead and upload few icons here. So we will be using these sample images as links to our different categories. So let's say we click on this image and then select, and we will align this image to center. And after this, we will add a text. So we will click on insert after, and then we will add advanced heading, which is again from the Cadence blocks, and we will call it breakfast. And instead of H2, we will choose paragraph. We will align it to center, and then we will make it bold. And on the right hand side settings, we can go ahead and change the font size. So maybe 14 is good enough. And let's click on update, and let's go ahead and click on this image now, and we can add any link maybe to our category or maybe any link from our food blog. And in the same way, we can do that for this breakfast text. So here is the link option. We can add any sample link here. So in the same way, we have added images and text in the rest of the 3 columns. So let's go ahead and update this page, and this is how it's going to look in the front end. And if we go ahead and open any recipe here, so we can see that this is how the layout is designed. And below that, we have the recipe card as well. So if you want, we can go ahead and edit the look of this blog post. So for that, we need to go to customize. And this is the feature in the Cadence theme. So depending upon what theme you are using, you will get options to customize the blog post. So that's why I always recommend to use themes like Cadence, which allows you flexibility of designing different style of blog posts. So here we will go to blog post and then to single post layout. So maybe we want to show the feature image as full width. So we can click on feature image width to full stretch or stretch full. and now the image is showing in the full width. So here, if we want, we can disable this vertical padding. So let's click on disable. So it will move up the feature image a bit. Let's go ahead and click on publish. Let's close this. So this is the new look of your single blog post. So if we go back in the home page, our food blog is ready and we have just used Gutenberg Page Builder to design the entire blog post. Now, in order to build your header as well as your footer, you got a lot of options in Kadence theme. So once again, you can go to customize, and here you will find header and footer section. You can directly click on any section in the header and then edit that part. You can just click on this pencil icon here. So here we are in the header editor. Now you can edit anything here. So let's say we don't want menu here. We want our logo first, then the menu, then the social media icons. So all we have to do is just drag our navigation here and then our logo here. And now we have a completely new header. So this is all available in the Kadence theme itself. So once again, so this all depends on whatever theme you are using. So let's click on publish, and in the same way we can edit our footer. Right now, if we click on this pencil icon, we can see that in our footer we have these 3 rows, and if we want, we can rearrange these elements. So let's say we've dropped this footer navigation here and social sharing icon on the right, and the copyright information after that. So this is how we can redesign our footer as well. If you want to add more items here in the footer, you can just click on this plus icon and select a widget that you want to add here. So this is the power of Gutenberg page builders and the theme that are based on Gutenberg. You can build any kind of business website, e-commerce site, or maybe a blog by just using native Gutenberg builder. So in the comment section below, do let us know what kind of website you want us to build by using Gutenberg Page Builder, and we will definitely bring a tutorial about it. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help regarding your website, you can connect with us using the link given in the video description below. So that's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.